In this video, I'm going to go over how to create a custom footer. So a custom footer is going to consist of a section and 4 rows. The first row is going to be an image module. The second module is going to be a text module. The third module is going to be a text module. And then the fourth module is going to be a post slider module. For the post slider module, I'm going to go into settings. I'm going to limit the excerpt to 120. I'm going to go into elements. I'm going to get rid of the post meta, so switch that to no. And then I'm going to don't show the read more button. The featured image, don't show the featured image. I'm going to go into design, go into overlay, don't use background overlay. So now it's everything's the same color. Then I'm going to go into content. I'm going to go into not sizing, border. I'm going to make each of these 25 pixels. Click OK. I'm going to save the draft. For the image, I'm going to use the company logo. Upload the image from the media folder. And for this, I'm just going to use the text on the website. Basically, this is going to include links to other sections on the website. And this is going to include outer links, such as our YouTube channel, also our contact information. So this module here will include our contact information and the link to our YouTube channel, where we regularly post videos. And this is going to include all the internal links on our page. It's also going to include a link to another one of our affiliated websites, ocwebdesign.com. Okay, I'm going to get rid of the bullet list, and then I'm going to make it a bullet list again. There we go. Then I'm going to save the draft. I'm going to get rid of the spacing. Save, and that is the custom footer. I hope you liked the video. Please like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel.